Alright guys, I figure I might as well make a video of what I'm doing. First of all, welcome to the channel. This is my Trans Am. It's a 1979 WS6 W72, which means it was a 404 speed. It's now got a Pontiac 455 and a Tremec 3550 5-speed manual. I got this 8-track player off of eBay, said it worked. Well, it doesn't. So I got over there in my pile of parts to be put on this car another, I was going to say new, but it's definitely not new, another JIL CB radio, this time 8-track AM FM that does work. I watched a video of it, so I'm going to be taking this thing out of here and putting the new one on. I have my wires down here, so it shouldn't be too big of a deal. And just splice in the new thing and get it going. So I'm gonna get to work on this bad rider, and I'll update you guys when I have something more to look at. All right. Okay, I got my old wiring harness pulled out of here. The way these 8-track works, at least everyone I've seen, I'm almost 40, so I'm old, but not super old. And these were before my time, but everyone I've seen, they kind of just plug in. They have like a little harness, which is cool. See, this is the new one. It kind of plugs into this receiver. There's a positive to each speaker and the ground. And I was like, dude, how do you wire this up? And you just, here we go. They give you a schematic here. And also you just do your negative from these speakers. I put aftermarket speakers in here. You put the negative from the speakers and you just like wire it to ground. I used the same black wire. I just tied them all into the black wire here. So I'm just going to splice in this here. Nothing too exciting, crazy here to do. This is the new radio. Everything works on it. So we'll get that put in. Breaker 69. All right, so let me get this spliced in, and I'll show you guys testing it out here in a second. All right, moment of truth. Let's see. There we go. Okay, we got some static. Let's see about this guy right here. So I don't think my antenna works. I think it's just supposed to play when you put it in. There we go, that's definitely in. Sounds like it's playing it really slow or something. Well, it worked. I'm not sure what's going on with it. Well, LOL, I read online that it plays slow if the belt's dried out or not lubed up, so we've got like half-speed music coming out of the 8-track. It's better than nothing, I guess. I'll figure out how to lube it up if we can. But we got some jams. So, success? Question mark? I don't know. I'll hook up my AM/FM and I gotta diagnose what's going on with my antenna. Then at least the radio should work. Alright guys, well next up I need to do my drilled and slotted rotors and brakes. I'm putting a single plane intake on, doing a street, what is that, street dominator? It should make the shaker fit a little better. Yeah, street dominator. Clean this up. Put on another rebuilt carb because I'm sorry, this one's not running very good. I say I'm sorry because it's my friend that rebuilt it. I'll send it back to him with it, right? I got another one of these dudes coming for that side. Then we'll tape up this area and clean it up, paint it. I got a new sticker there so I can peel that off and really clean this up and paint it and make it look good. Got a fuel line coming to replace this Action. It's a real one. It's gonna go like it's supposed to, and valve cover gaskets. Oh, also, check this out, guys. I was expecting that to wait months. I read bad reviews about Legendary, believe it or not, with this particular material. So I figured I'd give PUI a shot. Also, Legendary would be like January before I got it back. This was like straight up in stock. I ordered it, and like 3 days later, it was at my house. So I got a full interior, and I'll get that on this week. All right, guys. Well, that's gonna do it for this one. Like, share, subscribe, do all the things. See you next time.